I'm actually on my way to find this, getting a Forester front lip. So this is a JDM front lip that I've been eyeing up for the Forester for a while. And I actually found one that was in Russia for like 300 bucks. So I ordered it. And it's been like a month. Shipping says it's like it was processed through the Russian Federation. But then it's been like I said, it's been a month. I haven't seen anything about it being in the US yet. So I was kind of panicking, and I just happened to just look around again and see if more of these lips were popping up anywhere. And I found one local in Maryland, Beltsville. The place is called it's like Maryland JDM Motors or JDM Maryland Motors in Beltsville. So I did some debating. I was like, man, it's been a month for the other lip, and this one's right here in Maryland, and I don't want to miss out on it. So I went ahead and I bought it on eBay and just sent the money, and actually just called and got off the phone. I'm gonna go pick it up. So yeah, so looking forward to getting that. This one's black with the lip already attached to the bumper, so I'm just gonna take the whole thing and then separate it. And then hopefully the white one that I got from Russia will be here. If not, I'll have to just file a complaint through PayPal and just say it hasn't been here. But I'm giving a few more days just because the past couple weeks have been holidays, and New Year's and like Christmas, so we know it can get crazy. So got a little impatient, but more than likely, if I have both lips, one of these will be up for sale on the Forester forums somewhere. So keep a lookout for that. Like I said, I'll probably sell it, probably a couple $100 or something, 250 or something like that. On my way now. It should be there in about half hour or so. So here we are. Just pulled up to this place. Oh boy, no parking spots though. Let's see if I just pull up in front here. Well, here we are. Looks like Maryland JDM Motors. This is the place. It's Herzl. In the right spot. So yeah, looks like they got some Civics out here. Got some milk down there. Alright, well, we're here. Let's go get this bump. This is the place. It's pretty awesome. I met Brandon over there. So this is the joint. Got the bumper here loaded up in the back. Tight squeeze, but yeah, gonna try to head home on 495. Got the bumper in the back. Headed back home. It's 3:30. About to get on the Beltway. It's probably, hopefully, not crazy, but we'll see. Beltway is a disaster around this time. So we'll see if we make it in time. It's, GPS says 4:20. So we'll see. All right, well, back home now. Got the bumper here. And there she is. So this is why we're here, is because of this front lip spoiler. It's good to see this mounted because you can see some of the parts are broken there. But yeah, this is the front lip spoiler piece that I've been trying to get. So now I have this one, and hopefully the one from Russia comes within the next few days. But yeah, really glad I got this. I'm glad I had the extra cash to be able to get it. Otherwise I would have been stuck relying on that one. Also got the wheels here. They're mounted and ready to go as well, so we'll get those on there ASAP. But yeah, finally getting some stuff done on the Fozzy. I do have a trunk spoiler too coming. This should be here tomorrow. And once all that is done, this is it. This is it right here. I mean, the front lip, the wheels, and that rear spoiler, and that's pretty much done for the Fozzy. No further plans after that, just because it's, it's the daily, and that's all it's really I got planned for it. What is
Yeah, that's gonna look good.
What's that?
That's gonna look good.
Did it fit your snapped and everything?
Huh?
You snapped and everything?
What do you mean snapped in?
Oh, never mind. Oh man, nice. Perfect.
Yeah, it's gonna look good, dude.
Thanks. Awesome.
Fitment is a really good fitment. It's OEM, isn't it?
Yeah. Yep.
Nothing fits like the factory.
I know, man.
It looks so good.
I try to do that. Awesome, man. Thanks.
She wishes if I can just put it on right now.
I know, I do, trust me.
Once you get it back, it won't melt it.
So this is the front lip spoiler. This is actually paint. So what happened was, big shout out to Robbie who did the work on this, Jeff's Body Shop in Stevensville or Chester, Maryland. Basically what he did was, since this is a custom color, the color is rare jade pearl. It's a dip, but it is custom. So basically it's rare jade pearl, plus we add a blueberry juice to it. So it adds a little more blue to the tealish green color that it normally is. So it's a pretty custom color. So when I got painted, they actually have a camera where you can take it and you take a picture, a few pictures of the paint, and they load it into this computer, and then the computer pretty much generates samples that are like actual paint codes closest to the color. So I'm like I said, I'm really impressed how close the color came out. I mean, it's near perfect. You can't even tell. I can't tell. So I think Robbie did awesome using the camera. So I have this front lip spoiler. I also have the rear spoiler here. Right here, here's the rear spoiler. This just goes on the top. This is gonna go up here, up top like this. So we will have to drill a couple holes. But yeah, so I'm pretty happy with that. I'll bring this up close too, so you can kind of see. Like I said, this is actual paint that Robbie painted, so you can see that, and he did awesome. Now the good thing about, the reason why I chose paint instead of rewrapping it again is because it's an easier process. So, you know, if somehow I decide I want to wrap the car, I could wrap spray over top of this, or if I decide to paint the car, other panels, I can actually paint to color match it. So it gives me those options. So that's my recommendation. If you do have a wrapped car and you somehow have damage or want to add parts to it, I recommend try to get them factory painted, or if you want to spray wrap on top of it, do that. But I know that the wrap is designed to bond to clear coat anyways, so it's good to have some sort of paint base coat anyway on there. But that's it. So these are the parts here. We're gonna probably install them in a few minutes. I'm waiting for my brother to get home, and we're gonna pull it in the garage and hopefully get these on. And after that, that's it for the Fozzy. I mean, it's the whole goal with this car was just to be a daily driver. Engine stock, nothing crazy, naturally aspirated, no turbo or anything like that. So just something I can drive around and be reliable, but just look pretty nice. So as far as the looks department goes, I'm really happy with it. Who knows? I really like the color. I might keep it, or if I rewrap it again, it could be white. Anything could happen. Time will tell, but like I said, I'm just glad it's not gold anymore. So this is where she'll sit. Yeah, there's just these spots here, and then one underneath there, and that's it.
Sticking.
can you tell by looking at the head?
Yeah. The head has like yeah, it just looks different. Realistically, this isn't going anywhere. Yo, didn't Chick-fil-A have cheesecake?
Yeah, a long time ago.
I was gonna say, because I went there today for lunch, because I knew that you guys were going to close soon.
Try to get some of that cheesecake?
Yeah, I ordered one, and
You
James was
dare.
like, I don't think that's a thing. I was like, I swear to God I've got it.
Yeah, we used to.
In so many ugly ways, thought that we could stay the same. Find a way through night and rain, and the promises we made lead to lies and lead to pain.